And then a couple more things. We have this statement here that says a person cannot see a single cotton thread 100 feet away, but if you wound thousands of threads together into a rope, it would be visible much further away. Is this statement analogous to our DNA extraction? Explain. I would say it definitely is analogous to the DNA extraction, although I would say that the strawberry DNA extraction would definitely be a much more, I guess, grander process in a way, purely because of the time of the not considerable amount, but there it does take a decent amount of time to like put all the mixtures together and create the solution, and then have to wait 5 minutes, just to put everything together for the strawberry check. And I feel like that would take a lot of time versus either like buying the cotton or people making the cotton. I think that would probably be a much more like simpler process compared to the DNA extraction. But I definitely think that statement is analogous to the DNA extraction. And then so I also have, is there DNA in your food? How do you know? Explain. Well, I think for me, like the way I was thinking about this is, to sum it up, is that there's DNA in all living things, and plants produce different things, over and over again on a daily basis. Our body breaks down multiple different things on a daily basis. So there's most likely DNA in our food, because our food has to have come from somewhere. It has to have come from some source. The production of our food has to have been a result of some sort of like natural process or even a man-made process. So there has to be some sort of like strand of DNA in our food, or even multiple different strands of DNA in our food, based on like where it came from, who came in contact with it, and like just other different factors like the environment, the weather, and so on. But overall, I think that there definitely is DNA in our food. But yeah, thank you for listening to my lab presentation. I'm sorry it kind of wasn't what it should be, but I don't really have the time or the resources to do it again. But I definitely did try my best, and I really do hope to get more out of it, or more out of stuff like this in the future. But thank you, and have a good day.